This is your LMAX exchange technical update for Tuesday, October 11th, 2016. Euro dollar. So the euro continues to chop around, though overall the price action favors the downside, with the market putting in a series of lower tops and lower lows. A fresh downside extension is seen on a breakback below the recent support that we saw around 111, which will open a downside extension towards medium-term support at 109.12. That's the low going back to the 24th of June. At this point, it would take a breakback above recent highs that we saw around 1280 to take the immediate pressure off the downside. Sterling dollar. So cable remains under intense pressure, with the market trading at plus 31-year lows, and now the market could be poised for establishment below critical psychological barriers at 120. At this point, there's room for a drop into the 115 to 120 area, while ultimately a breakback above previous support, now term resistance at 27.96, would be required to take the immediate pressure off the downside. Dollar yen. So dollar yen continues to trade within a downtrend, though the market is trying to press up against some key resistance at 104.32. A break and close above 104.32 will take the pressure off the downside, while inability to take out 104.32 will keep the pressure on the downside, with the potential for the next downside extension towards a retest and break of those 2016 lows in June at 98.99. Euro Swiss. So Euro Swiss has been confined to a range trade over the past several weeks, with the market comfortable trading roughly between 108 and 110. At this point, any rallies towards 110 are well capped, while dips down towards 108 are well supported. Aussie dollar. So Aussie is trading within a broader, the price action favors a broader move to the downside, with rallies very well capped. The most recent rally capped up towards 77.58 ahead of the 2016 high, and a potential lower top now in place at that recent high around 77.11. Look for deeper setbacks over the coming sessions towards 74.21, with only a breakback above 77.58 to compromise this outlook. Dollar CAD. So dollar CAD has seen some setbacks in recent trade, but ultimately the market is looking to break higher as it continues to show signs of a major base. Fresh upside is now seen towards the 135 area over the coming days. At this point, any setbacks should be very well supported ahead of 130. Kiwi dollar. So Kiwi is definitely showing signs of topping out at that 2016 high at 74.86, with room for a deeper drop now towards next key medium-term support at 69.52. SPX 500. The S&P 500 is showing signs of potentially forming a major top, but at this point there's no confirmation yet. We would need to see at a minimum a breakback below 2108, the September low, to strengthen this outlook and accelerate declines. At the same time, if we see the market try to establish back above 2180, this would be a bullish signal and open the door potentially for a move to fresh record highs above 2200. Gold. So gold continues to be very well supported on dips, though the market has seen a sharp setback in recent trade. Daily studies have been overextended, and there is room for a higher low ahead of the next major upside extension back above the 2016 high at 1375. At this point, ultimately only back below 1200 will really compromise the constructive outlook for gold.